A massive fire erupted at an industrial plant under Nacharam police station, specifically at Rama Sons painting warehouse. The blaze has been dragging for about an hour, with 4 fire engines currently at the scene attempting to bring it under the control. The fire has yet to be contained, causing panic among residents of the nearby Tirumala Woods colony. The cause of the fire remains under maintained. Emergency reporters continue their efforts to extinguish the flames and prevent further damage.
అన్న ఏం కంపెనీ ఇది తెలియదా మీకు? ఇట్రా 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 అన్న ఏం కంపెనీ ఇది తెలియదా మీకు? ఇట్రా. అన్న ఏం కంపెనీ ఇది తెలియదా మీకు? ఇట్రా. అన్న ఏం కంపెనీ ఇది తెలియదా మీకు? ఇట్రా. అన్న ఏం కంపెనీ ఇది తెలియదా మీకు?
Minister Nara Lokesh. Sandeep.
అన్న ఏం కంపెనీ ఇది తెలియదా మీకు?
We are talking with our correspondent Sandeep. Let's talk. Sandeep?
Yes, Naresh, this is really a very pathetic situation which is happening over here in Nacharam Industrial Estate in Hyderabad. That a painting warehouse has been razed to flames, and the cause of the accident is not yet known, and the fire has not completely come down, but the entire area is very, very much threatening, and the locals are very much frightened over what exactly has happened, because actually there's a huge black fog that has happened in the Nacharam industrial area, and it is very, very much threatening. And mostly this particular incidents are not, though in the industrial areas the fire accidents are little bit common, but this is seeming to be a very, very disheartening and threatening incident. But what are the regarding the casualty details or whatever it is not yet known, and the cause. And yes, we will be updating once we know about the cause and the complete putting off, because already the fire, just enough number of firefighters are fighting the flames, so it will
Okay,
be
Sandeep.
coming down
Uh,
very soon.
We are
will be
seeing
updating
visuals lively.
Okay, Naresh.
And exactly what's happening, Sandeep?
That's what, Naresh, because the cause of the fire is not yet known. What is the thing is, because the whatever that has happened, it is a completely black fog that has completely, the cloud is completely has covered in the entire Nacharam industrial area. The firefighters are working tremendously to put off the fire, but it is not putting off so much as anticipated, but it will be coming down. But the cause and how it has occurred is not yet known, Naresh.
Okay, Sandeep. Thank you, Sandeep. Thank you.